What's up guys, it's Mike. I know it's been a little while, but we're working on some project. This truck that I bought, I think last year, if not a little later, I'm gonna sell it. There's a perfectly good reason why we're selling this truck, and the reason is this guy right here. You guys ready? Robbie D. I was telling them that the reason I'm selling this truck is because of you. Oh shit. The responsibility is on you. Yeah, I'm putting it on you right now. I'll tell you guys exactly on why in a different video. Just stay tuned, but we're gonna see who offers the best price for the truck. What's up, dude? Once again. What's up, man? Man, I'm gonna miss this truck. Look at this thing, I'm gonna miss it. Man, this truck is nice. It's like a living room. Do you guys remember the last time I sold a car? A Range Rover, and I sold it at CarMax. Oh man, look, somebody is selling a Subi. Oh, a sunroof too? Oh yeah. Okay, we're just leaving CarMax now. My truck, it's right over there. Bad news, that dealer didn't even give me an offer. They couldn't do it because they don't specialize in it. Completely understandable. Weird turn of events. I just got a phone call from another dealer. Man, it's a beautiful truck. I'm gonna miss this thing. Hey you, where's the Charmander I got you?
I left the Charmander in the car.
It's not in the car, my love. I have no idea where it is. Oh, hi Turbo.
Turbo.
Hey you.
No, where is Subi?
I don't know where Subi is.
Over there?
Yeah. So good morning guys, today is the next day. A really weird turn of events. I have little Aaliyah here. Hey, can you say hi? Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. And here is the truck. That is the truck. Come here, Aaliyah.
No.
That is Turbo's nose. Yes, come say bye to the truck. So if you guys know, if you guys follow my Instagram, you'll see Aaliyah's first steps was because of this key. I put it out in my hand and she followed it. Baby, look, can you say bye to the truck? Can you say bye? Are you gonna miss it? Are you gonna miss the truck? You want to go in the truck? Okay, let's go in the truck. Okay, you're gonna sit in the truck one last time. Okay? So when she was really small, she used to cry. And I used to sit her in the seat and she'd stop crying. It was really weird.
How can you sit on the front?
You are in the front, silly.
Can you go in the back?
I can sit in the back. Are you gonna sit in the front?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be the driver? Are you gonna drive the truck? Do you like the truck?
Yeah.
Are you gonna miss it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What color is the seat?
It's black.
It's black? You're so smart.
It's bigger.
The truck is bigger. It is bigger. She's so smart.
Can I go in the back?
You want to go in the back?
I want to go here.
Okay, hold on. It's the back, right here. We used to sit back here when you used to cry all the time. You remember?
Yeah.
Do you like this truck?
Yeah.
I'm gonna imagine.
Can you down over there?
You want me to sit in the front?
No, I want to sit on the front.
Want to sit in the front again? Our last moments together in the truck. What do you think, baby? Do you like it?
Yeah.
You're gonna miss it, right? Because I'm gonna miss it. I don't want to sell it.
Are you go in the front?
I am in the front, silly.
You go in the back.
You want me to sit in the back by myself? But I don't want to sit back by myself.
Please.
Okay, fine. Hold on. I know, I'm moving it forward for you. If you're a little Asian lady, this is how you'd sit. Is that better? Okay, hold on, let me move it like this. Okay, lean back, lean back, lean back. There we go. So, move your hair, silly.
We sit on the back.
Okay, hold on.
You ready, Papa?
Am I ready for what?
Ready?
What am I ready for?
You ready to drive?
Yes, I'm ready. Go ahead, you drive me now. What noises do trucks make?
Or the road.
Do you like it, baby?
Yeah. I can know the road is.
Yeah.
I say boom, boom, boom.
Oh my gosh. This is the truck, guys. Last few moments of the truck. And I don't do much construction anymore. So this truck is pretty much just sits there. Initially we were gonna keep it forever
Papa,
because it's such a great truck. But
Papa,
yes, baby. Huh?
Hi, Papa.
Hi, baby. So I got top of the line truck so that way she's very comfortable in the back. It reclines really comfortable. But because of life circumstances, I gotta be really responsible. And there's another project that we're working on. So this is why we're selling it. Hi, little one. Hi, peekaboo. Hide. Hide.
Big Boo.
Oh, hi.
Big Boo.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Big Boo.
Where's Aaliyah?
Big Boo.
Hi. Okay,
Big Boo.
sit down properly, please.
Big Boo.
Sit down properly, please.
My windows.
Sit down properly, please. Hello. Okay, sit down properly. You ready to go now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, it's moving.
Stop doing that.
It's like a ride, baby. That's it. All done, baby. Okay, follow me. Come on, hold my hand. Go. Why are you being a brat? Come on, let's go inside now. She's sad. She doesn't want to say bye to the truck. I've been making her say bye to it. Taking one last ride in the truck to the office for its last time. I don't know why I'm so sentimental about cars. I've gone through so many cars in my life, but this truck was supposed to be with for a very long time. But you know, trucks like this always come up and it'll be cheaper in the future. But this one's a baby, only 42,000 miles. These trucks are made to last like 500,000. It's it, that's it guys. Rob, that's it. You can say bye to the truck.
Later, truck.
We had some good times in it. You know what I'm saying? I was kidding.
Or do like a
Look at that. Little montage? This truck used to haul that big trailer, which that trailer will probably go up for sale soon too. Because I don't need it anymore if I have this thing. I don't have this thing, I mean. The guy right now is outside. Right now, he doesn't want to be on camera. He's checking out the truck. He's calling his brother to get final okay to get it. All right guys, we're back in the truck and today we're gonna try to just sell it at the dealer. The other guy was playing too many games. I know this is a really confusing video. I'm also confused. I'm just trying to get this truck sold at a reasonable price. So let's head to the dealership. Watch me lose focus and get this Type R. Ooh, nice Model X over here. Damn bro, what do you do for a living?
Huh?
What do you do for a living? You're a stripper?
Sometimes.
You're a porn star?
Yeah, I do that too.
Oh
sometimes.
damn. Hey, don't fuck up and buy a car. Don't do it. Don't do it. So don't fuck up and buy a car all of a sudden. All right guys, we gotta say goodbye to the truck. And this is the truck. Bye truck. Bye truck. This is the last time. Bye truck. It's gone, Rob. That's it. That's it, Rob. That's it. That's so sad. That's so sad. Rob.
Shit.
The truck's gone.
See.
But I got the check. That means we have now money to buy the other thing that we want. The other thing.
Yeah.
Scary, but I mean, I don't know. Let's just buy one of these. No, I was kidding. Okay, guys, let's do a quick little recap here. Okay, so the reason why I made this super long video on the truck is because the truck meant so much to my family and I, but the circumstance made us sell it. Good thing is we did pick up another car. So if you guys want to guess, comment below. The car that we got is supposed to help us all around. Rob and I have a really interesting project and we kind of need this specific car that we bought because it's very interesting and different. Besides that, I think it's gonna make some interesting content. You guys already know when I buy things, it's not for the channel, it's more for like my livelihood. I have a bunch of cars, but I never almost ever vlog them because it's kind of like my stuff. I'm very opposite of a YouTuber. Usually YouTubers will make whole videos on them, but maybe I'll do that too. But this one is for like us, the project Rob and I are working on. So I will show you guys very soon, but leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think. And I apologize for the inconsistent uploads lately. It's just been really crazy. I will get back to it. I just don't vlog as much as I used to. And it's weird because my Snapchats are really active. I have over like 7 million views on that one. It's really crazy. And then my Instagram is pretty active, but my YouTube is just not. It's really weird how this world works. But nonetheless, we're still here. We're managing to survive. And you guys are watching. I really appreciate you guys. I've been doing a lot of deliveries if you guys haven't seen. I've been actually delivering packages to fans that live in SoCal, especially like all the way to San Diego. And it's been really cool. It's like a really rewarding feeling of doing it. It may not make like the best content, but it's really fun to do it. And I uploaded some of them, but not all of them. And I'll upload more if you guys really want to see them. But I just find it really rewarding and fun to do it with you guys. So I've done over 100. I mean, it's a lot. So we're gonna end it here. But thanks so much for watching again. I'll show you guys the video of the other car very soon. But that's all I got. Thanks guys for watching. Peace out. See you guys next time. Bye. Aaliyah, can you say bye to the truck? Are you gonna miss the truck? I know, no more. We have to say bye to it now. You don't want to say bye? Well, we have to say bye. Baby, you can say bye to the truck, okay? You want it. You've had it. Okay, baby. Wave bye. No, she doesn't want to. Why do you look so sad? Why do you look so sad? Look at me. Why do you look so sad? Can you move your hair, please?